So, 22nd November 2025. If you work in payments, this date is basically the New Year's Eve of banking. Because Swift is finally saying bye-bye to MT messages and hello to ISO 20022. Now, if you're thinking, okay, but why should I care? Let me explain it the payments girl way. MT messages are like those old-school text messages, short, limited, no emojis, and half the time, nobody knows what you meant. ISO 2022? Think WhatsApp. Structured, detailed, clean, way more data, and everyone understands what's going on. Till now, banks could use both MT and MX like a hybrid phase. But on 22nd November 2025, that coexistence ends, meaning if any bank still tries to send the old MT-103 thinking life is chill, Swift is going to be like, nope, not processing that. So what actually changes? Payments become richer in data, compliance becomes easier, fraud checks get more accurate, and straight-through processing improves. Fewer payment failed headaches for everyone. But here's the drama. If a bank isn't ready, systems not upgraded, data still messy, or correspondence still living in 2005, payments may get delayed, rejected, or stuck in limbo. And trust me, nobody wants that on a Monday morning. For customers, this is invisible. For banks, this is the upgrade of the decade. Everyone from ops to tech to compliance is scrambling to make sure their systems don't freak out on go-live weekend. So yeah, 22nd November 2025 is not just a date. It's a global payments glow-up. If you want more deep dives like this, hit subscribe. This is #ThePaymentsGirl, keeping payments simple, one big change at a time.